Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, July 13th. And this week we start week 5 of our Build with Mesa Buddies course. We're going to give you the option to do what you need to do this week. So, several of you are in the certification course, and we just want to give you a chance to decide what you need this week. So, we're not prescribing anything for you. That being said, you do have the option to engage with us in exploring backwards design and how you can use that as a way to structure your course design as you start building out your modules in Canvas. What goes into a module? How do you know how much is enough? And so we look at this idea of backwards design and starting with the end in mind. And it's really crazy because when I was in high school, so my family moved from New York to California after my sophomore year of high school. So I went from a small New York high school to a very big California high school. Anyway, we did a cross-country trip that summer. So that would have been, 1994. We drove across country, and I was getting my license, so I got to do a lot of the driving. It was my parents' way of giving me driving practice, was helping to drive across country. This big van with, we had 2 cars actually. Anyway, the point is that we took stops along the way, and my parents had mapped out where we were going to be stopping. And that reminds me of backwards design, right? So with backwards design, you kind of know where the final destination is, and then you take little chunks off at a time. And that's exactly what we were doing this summer of the road trip, was knowing where we were going to be going, what date we had to be in San Jose, California, and moving backwards to figure out, what was the best route for getting there and where to take stops along the way. And that's what a really good metaphor, I feel like, for you guys in designing your online courses. The crazy thing is this morning I wake up and it's July 13th. July 13th is the day that we arrived in San Jose in 1994. So that I thought was really weird, that I'm talking about road trips and backwards design with you, and today, Monday, July 13th, is the first day of week 5. So very cool coincidence, and that'll be a fun discussion, I think, to start really organizing course design stuff around this week. Opt into that, or decide what you need best for your own professional learning this week and your own course design elements to get you prepared for fall. We'll let you make that choice. And then week 6, we've got another buddy benchmark for you. Actually, a few. We've got a couple weeks coming up that have more than one buddy benchmark in them. So that's all for now. Have a wonderful week. Thank you for all you are doing. I'm so grateful, so grateful to be a part of this community this summer. Bye for now.